Yes, no feeding. So we're here in aquaponic inside the Mount Pavilla. We're going to see the fish, right, Hey? So it says no feeding, hey, no feeding and romping are allowed to the fish. Okay, cannot. So, no, cannot. There's the fishes. Oh, so many. No feeding. They will lao. No, okay. So let's go here. Let's go. Come here. No, cannot. This one, aquaponic is an integrated food production system with aquaponic and hydroponic. So the fish would have to break down fish. Have snake? No. Oh, let's look over there. Let's look over there. See, Sila. Here. So you can sit down here if you want to. No more. Over there, Hab. Let's go right there. You can sit down there over there, right? Okay. Am I right? That's your right. There's the fish. It says no paddling. It says. Also, let's go over there. Oh my God. Here, Mocha. I don't like. I cannot stop. Let's. What do you like? Okay. Wow! Look at the. Okay. I'll make. Oh, you find it. You can find it. Oh, look here. Oh, it says, watch out for, what's that? For snakes. So it means have snake over here. Oh, yeah. So we need to go back home. Okay? No paddling. So many fishes also over there. Also have water with fishes. Then right over here, you can sit down. You can relax. Here, right here. Oh, you can sit down here, baby. Like that. If not, wet. Oh, I think it's a little bit wet. This one. Table. It's so dirty. Oh, yeah. This one, yes. It's dirty. There. It's nice. Oh, so we need to go back home already, okay? So there it is, the aquaponic in Mount Pavilla. Okay, so we go back home. What's that? I don't know also. Let's go back. Yes. Yeah. Be careful. Yes, of course. Yeah. You know? We need to go back home, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Okay lah.